Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to give a presentation in class. Firstly, prepare your content, understand the topic fully before you start creating slides. Organize your points in a logical order like introduction, main points, and conclusion. Keep slides simple, use short bullet points and relevant visuals instead of heavy text. Now, rehearse your presentation several times, not just in your head. Time yourself to make sure you fit within the given limit and practice in front of a mirror, a friend, or even record yourself to check your tone and pace. Now, start with something engaging, a question, a surprising fact, or a short story. Clearly state your topic and why it matters. Now, stand up straight and face your audience and make eye contact with different people in the room. Speak clearly and at a steady pace, don't rush. Use natural gestures to emphasize points. Now, take a deep breath before you start and focus on your message, not yourself. Remember, your audience wants you to succeed. And finally, end strong. Summarize your main points in 1 or 2 sentences and thank your audience and be ready to answer questions. An extra tip, if you forgot something, don't panic. Pause, glance at your notes and continue. Most people won't even notice. So, the most important thing is you stay stress-free during your presentation. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.